In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove debit or credit card from Alibaba account. Let's start by opening the official Alibaba website and signing into your account. Make sure you're using a secure connection and that you're logging into the correct profile you use for purchases. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Account Settings. This is where all your personal and payment preferences live, and it's the safest place to manage how you pay on the platform. Inside Account Settings, find and select Payment Methods. This section shows any cards you've already saved and is where you can add a new one. It's a good idea to have your card and billing details handy before you continue, especially if your bank uses extra verification. Next, click Add a new card. You can add either a debit or a credit card here. The system will prompt you to fill in standard fields like the card number, expiration date, security code, the name on the card, and your billing address. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your card and on your bank statements. Mismatched names or addresses are a common reason for failed verifications. If you shop internationally, confirm that your card is enabled for online and cross-border transactions to prevent declines. After entering your details, you'll be asked to complete verification. This may involve a one-time passcode sent by text, a push notification from your bank's app, or an additional security page known as 3D Secure. Keep your phone nearby and complete the prompt within the time limit. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment or check for messages from your bank's verified sender. If verification fails, double-check your billing address and try again, or contact your bank to make sure online payments are permitted. When verification succeeds, click Save. You should see a confirmation on the Payment Methods page, and your new card will appear in the list of saved options. If you have multiple cards, you'll typically be able to manage them from this same screen, including setting a preferred card for future checkouts. That's it. You've successfully added a card to your Alibaba account. If you ever need to remove a card you no longer use, you can manage or remove saved payment methods from the same Payment Methods page. As a final tip, avoid saving cards on shared or public computers, and remember to sign out when you're done for added